30s now, when this venerable aircraft was virtually, almost not quite, we have to say if it was a bird it would be almost extinct, but it was certainly past its sell-by, but did the most fantastic job during the course of the Second World War. From Navy Wings Heritage Flight, please welcome the Swordfish. One of the most important aircraft that the Navy had ever operated. Luckily now kept going for generations to come. This amazing torpedo bomber aircraft with that huge, great Bristol Pegasus 9-cylinder radial engine on the front, giving it about 750 horsepower. You'd expect to go quite quickly with that, but of course this is a large lumbering aircraft, referred to as the string bag. A little bit more about that later, but in the hands of Mark Jameson today, able to show you the dexterity and capability of this marvellous machine. Designed initially by the Fairey company, began as a private venture to satisfy a need to replace the Greek Fairey Mark III aircraft. The original design planned as what would have been known the TSR-1, the torpedo spotter reconnaissance aircraft, but then redesigned a bit together with the Bristol Pegasus engine, producing this TSR-2, which first flew in 1934. Taken into service in 1936 as the Swordfish Mark I. As I hinted at a little earlier on, though, by the start of World War II, this technology really had moved on, and the Swordfish was pretty much regarded as obsolete. But a large number were still in service and well utilised, and that reference to the string bag was all because, like the shopping bags of the day, this aircraft could carry quite a vast range of ordnance for its period, with practically anything, a 1,600-pound torpedo, or a variety of depth charges, bombs, mines, rockets or flares. And despite that big engine there, 750 horsepower, given all the drag and weight that this aircraft had, it only propelled the fish at around 90 knots, cruising, or 82 knots when fully laden with the torpedo and everyone on board. The crew of 3 were not afforded much comfort. You can see there for its size. The wings were able to fold, as with most naval aircraft, to minimise the room taken up on the deck and down below in the storage hangars. And the undercarriage particularly strengthened to allow for what most naval aviators would call just a firm arrival on a deck. But of course that deck would have been heaving and rolling in heavy seas. And so this also fitted with an arrestor hook to be able to make a short landing, having a course of the wire. Some of the aircraft were fitted with a Raytog, a series of rockets that were able to get them off at speed in a very short distance. The navigator would sit in the centre cockpit. A good wave, won't you? This is just the most fabulous thing to see here. It's the most beautiful aircraft, and well done Navy Wings in the Heritage Flight for keeping it all going. They rely very much on our generous donations to keep these fabulous aircraft in the sky. A massive history behind it, Taranto, the Channel Dash, and so many others, with one Victoria Cross to their neck.